Hello everyone, welcome to Tesla Key channel. In my previous video where I talked about how you can get into Tesla, I showed you the working of the Tesla Key card, which is like a credit card which comes with your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, and you use that to unlock your car and lock your car when you're exiting out. So similarly, in today's video, I will be talking about the Key Fob. Which looks exactly like a replica of your Model 3. So the Key Fob costs you about $175 extra if you need it for a Model 3 and a Model Y, and it is included with Model S and X as a standard, because with Model 3 and Model Y, they mainly wanted to use the key card as an option, and they wanted to use phone entry as an option. So I did get this as an add-on and at an additional price. So if you want to have maybe your home keys or keys to your mailbox attached, you do get an additional accessory for the key, which looks something like this. So it's like a sleeve where you can put your key fob in. It's an opening, and then you put your fob inside the sleeve, and that's how it looks like. So now you can carry your keys with your fob as well. So similar to adding a key card, you can add or set up a new key fob as well. So you can do that from the main menu, the car main menu here, and then go to locks. So my key fob is active here. You can rename your key fob. Maybe I'll just say Tesla Shree Fob, and then save. So that will rename it, and then you'll see Tesla Shree Fob is active now. You can also delete any fob if you no longer want to use it. So you click on that, and it asks you to put the key card at the center console here in front, and then you'll be able to delete it. So this is to make sure a non-authorized user does not go ahead and delete a key fob and blocks out your access. So that's the security built in. You can also add additional key fobs. So if multiple members of family, each one of them, if they want to use their own key fob, you can always add them up here. Like, click on the plus icon, and then wherever it says add a key fob or key card. So as you see, you need to scan your key behind the cup holder. So similar to your key card, all you'll be doing is putting your key fob here, and whenever it's a new fob, it will immediately detect it, and then go ahead and add that to the list of all the fobs that are accessible with your car. And also, depending on the model of your car, there are a few buttons available on the fob. So for example, with Model 3, there are 3 buttons available, one right on top here, and then one on the in the front, and one at the back. So as you might have guessed, the center button you can press once to lock the car, double tap it to unlock the car, and then the front button you can press and hold to unlock the front trunk, or frunk as they call it, and then in the back button you can press and hold to unlock your front trunk. So let me show you the working of that. So with the key fob, if you press the center button once, it locks it, and then if you double tap it, it unlocks it, and you can tell by the light being on and the mirrors are folded out. So that's how you can tell the car is unlocked. And like I mentioned before, if you double tap the front button, it unlocks the front trunk, and you can open it. And if I go to the back, if you double tap the back button, it unlocks it. So it's unlocked. So with the key fob, you don't have to physically put the put the key anywhere. All you have to do is have the key fob in your pocket, and Tesla will automatically be unlocked. And I'll show you the working of that. I'll just walk up to the car and then unlock it, and you're inside. When you walk away from the car, it should automatically lock the car. So the key fob does need a battery, a CR2032 battery, and then it's a 3-volt battery. Whenever your key fob is low, the battery life of key fob is low, you'll see a message pop up on Tesla's screen that you need to replace your battery. So let me show you how to do that. You need to open the back cover of your key fob. So there's a tiny opening or a slot where you can use a tool to pry it open. So in this case, I have like a tool, my back of my nail cutter. So I'll open that, and once you open it, you see the battery here, and I usually use the cover to remove the battery. So you put that in and pop the battery out, and then take the new one. Make sure your positive terminal is facing upwards. So you put that in, and then you're good to go. So you put your the cover back on by putting the front end first, and then snapping it in place. So there you go. That's how you replace the battery of your Tesla key fob. So let's see the working of summon using key fob. So the instructions that are on Tesla's website are to press and hold the center button for about 5 seconds. Initially you would see the light blink, and you will see the lights flashing after 5 seconds. That's when it is ready to summon, and then you press the front button or back button to move it forward or backward. So let's see how that works. I'll press and hold the center button. So it locked it, still holding it. So I see the lights flashing. So let me see if I can press and hold the front button. So I moved my car to see if this position works better. So let's see if I can press and hold. I see the lights flashing. I'm pressing and holding the front button, but somehow it doesn't seem to do it. Let me go back a bit and then try it again. And let me press the back button this time. See, nope. So as you saw, I tried a few times to get the summon using key fob to work. I moved my car in 2 or 3 different positions. I tried from different distance, but nothing seems to work. Just to be sure summon does work in my car, what I did was I even tried doing a summon from my phone, and that worked fine. And the next try using the fob right after that didn't go through. So I'm not sure what the issue was, but yeah, do let me know if it works for you, and if I need to do something differently, I'll I'll definitely try that out. But it is supposed to work with a key fob as per the instructions that you can find in Tesla user manual as well. Maybe I'm not doing something right. And also my batteries are brand new. As you saw in the video, I just replaced my battery because I got the message the key fob was running low, the battery was running low. So yeah, let me know if you see if someone using key fob works for you. So hope you liked that video and you got some information about Tesla Key Fob, and if you do decide to get it, maybe this is the video that will help you figure out everything that's there to know about Key Fob. So with that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.